Come on, come on, come on! What's going on, Joker? The TV won't turn on. It is starting to break down. I think there's something wrong with the TV. Batman, can you fix it? Don't worry. I will fix it in a jiffy. I think the remote is battery's low down. But the battery is okay. But the TV still not work. Fine. I'll fix it. Hurry, Batman! Okay then, try it now. What? Just hang on. Oh, dang it. Okay. Now try. What? I'll do it again. Just hurry! I hope it works. Okay. Here goes.
I like big butts and lie. You other brothers.
I can't believe it works! Big butts. Thanks, Batman. No problem, Joker.